What's up, guys? Welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and we're getting ready to go for a test drive in a 1966 Rancho. This one here needs a paint job, but so far so good on the drive terrain. This one's got a 289 under the hood, looking nice and clean. Aluminum radiator, power steering. You got disc brakes on the front, drum on the rear. What we like to do up here is take them down the road, point out any kind of flaws so you know exactly what you're getting before you get here. If you don't mind, check out maplemotors.com. Close to 100 detailed pictures, financing, and shipping information is available. If you like the music at the beginning, I write all of it, top right-hand corner. Go subscribe to that page. If you're new to this one, hit subscribe. We try to post cars every single day. Whole classic car lot, full inventory that's updated every Monday. I'm gonna put my gear in here for the test drive. It's about that time. Let's go for a ride. Before we take off, gonna look around the interior. Go ahead, place your bets. You think the horn works on this one? Showing 39,000 miles on the dash. Go ahead and start it up. I noticed something earlier. It doesn't work on the ignition, but there is a push button underneath the dash. It starts this car up. Starts up nice and easy. Looks like a B&M shifter in the floor. Something I grew up with. What do we got? Lucky. Looking around at the interior, looks pretty good. They got wood paneling back here covering up the access. The dash needs to be replaced. It's not in perfect shape. See, it's got cracks and stuff in it. Try our blower motor. I know the AC does not work, but blower motor is working, so we should get some heat. Wipers, they're working. Horn, that's a no-go. All right, guys. Jamming? Oh, we're jamming. Let's roll. All right, went ahead and got my seatbelt on. Let's back up out of here. Our oil pressure gauge is reading like 90. I don't know if that's correct or not. Probably not. Gas gauge is up to a quarter tank on this one. We're watching the temperature gauge. She's still pretty cold. I'd say at least 140. That's just a guess. It's only been running about 3 or 4 minutes. Woo! It's supposed to pour down rain this afternoon. You know what that means. Extreme humidity. Let's get to rolling. Gotta get my pant leg window. Seems to be going decently straight down the road. A little bit of slack in the steering. You see that? Try my brakes before I get too far. Brakes are soft, but they're stopping good. A little bit of a hesitation. Kick down is not hooked up on this one. Suspension feels pretty good. Blinkers are popping up on the dash, the signal, and the speedometer seems pretty accurate. like coming from the carburetor. I think the more you drive it, the better it's going to get. It probably just needs to be driven more. See? Stumbling right there. I actually held it to the floor a second. We're going to pull in this parking lot here, get us some outside shots. You can check out all my gear below in the description if you're interested in that. I got Amazon links to everything. This is where I bought it. All right, guys, let's get these outside shots. Got y'all in the driver's seat. We're going to take off here. So far so good. Engine temperature's only halfway on the gauge. On that road with the speed bump in it, we're going to hit it at a moderate speed, listen for rattle shakes, and kind of give you the best idea through a video about the suspension. It doesn't feel that bad. It's actually kind of smooth. The bump is right here. Probably hardly noticed in the video. Back in the lot. Here we go. I hope y'all enjoyed this video and I hope it was informative. Thank y'all. If you enjoyed this video, hit that subscribe button. I do post videos every single day of all these classic American muscle cars. Check us out, maplemotors.com. Financing and shipping information is available. Close to 100 detailed pictures of every car on the lot. And if you have any other questions, give us a call, 615-822-4444. Definitely check out the walk around video. I did it right in the middle of the test drive over in that church parking lot. It's walking around the car, pointing out any kind of flaws on the outside, inside, underneath. I do appreciate y'all watching. Hit that subscribe button, and if you like the music at the beginning, I produce it all. Up in the top right hand corner, you can go check out my music page. Thank y'all for watching. Have a good one.